This is my chickpea mango roasted corn salad with an easy tangy dressing. It's fantastic, it's fantabulous, it's easy, versatile, and absolutely delicious. It's one of those summer days, it's insanely hot, and I wanted a super simple and easy salad that was almost no cook. It is juicy, tangy, sweet. It's got green chilies and some red pepper flakes and cayenne for that heat. But if you don't like too much heat, you can use lesser of the chilies or omit one or two of the chilies. It will still be absolutely delicious. This comes together within minutes and it will be a hit at a potluck or a picnic. So let's make this chickpea mango corn salad. First, we're gonna chop up all of the veggies and some ripe juicy mango. To slice the mango, I usually slice it up into 2 half moons and then use the knife to kind of do a crisscross pattern and then use a spoon to scoop that out. Add all of that to your salad bowl. Add in the chickpeas as well. You can use canned chickpeas or chickpeas that you've cooked at home in your Instant Pot or your stovetop. If you're using corn on the cob, remove the husk of the corn, then grill them on a grill or toast them on your stove on a high flame until most of the corn kernels have black spots. Let that corn sit for a few minutes to cool down, then use a knife to remove the kernels. If you're using frozen corn kernels, you can toast them on a skillet over medium-high heat until they're nicely golden brown and use those as well. Then in a small bowl, mix in the spices. Now for the dressing, we also are toasting some red pepper flakes that will make them really smoky and delicious. Heat a little bit of oil in a small skillet over medium-low heat. Once the oil is hot, add the red pepper flakes into the oil, mix them in and switch off the heat. You can skip the step if you don't want to use any oil and just add some red pepper flakes directly into your salad. Let that oil cool down just a little bit and then we just mix everything into the salad. Squeeze one whole lime into your salad bowl as well. Toss really well and your salad is ready. It just is so mind-blowingly delicious and the flavor just improves as it sits. There is the tang from the lime, there is the heat from the cayenne and the green chilies, and you can take this to your potluck, to your picnic. Serve it with a side of tortilla chips so that you can use this as a dip. You can also use it to fill up some tacos. You can change up the beans to use black beans or white beans. You don't have to use chickpeas if you don't like them, or you can add lentils as well. Add in more crunchy veggies like some lettuce, cucumber, and make a large bowl of this hearty and delicious salad. If you make this recipe, do let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, fun and creative vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.